Hi. Yes, this is like a 4th of July vlog type thing, and I just wanted to preface this video. We don't stan America. We've been new that America kind of sucks, especially now we don't stan the country. But anyhow, we had plans for the whole 4th of July type thing, just like hanging out with families and stuff. We all hung out, and then afterward, a few of us went to a barbecue, and that was it, and I just vlogged it. So yeah, that's this video. So yeah. Okay, so here's the lowdown. It's July 3rd at like 11 p.m. at night. I have cross-country time trials tomorrow morning at 7:30. So I have to get to sleep soon, and we just got home from a birthday party. And so I decided that I'm gonna do a little July 4th vlog. Just to have some fun. Tomorrow will be fun. We're gonna try as early in the morning to get out on the boat and be on the lake probably at around 10 or 11. So that's fun. The morning. I have cross-country time trials in less than an hour. My legs are kind of sore. I feel mostly fine. I'm just really tired and I don't want to do this again. And then we're gonna leave really early to go boating. Okay, so I gotta take my second shower of the day now. I just got back from cross country. We had a 4-mile time trial. I'm not fast at distance running, so don't judge me. But yeah, ran a little bit. It is 9:30 and we need to get out on the water as soon as possible. My mom's gonna go groceries to get some stuff for the boat. Then I gotta get ready as fast as I can so that we can all leave. Yeah. Okay, wait, I gotta get a bathing suit. Usually I do between these two. These are my newest ones from Abercrombie. I like the blue one more, so we'll go for this one. Yes. Okay, I gotta take a shower now. I am tired. I just got this shirt yesterday, and I really like the color of this shirt. It might be good to mention that it's 90 degrees here in Ohio. It has been for the past few days. So it was very hot on the run this morning, and we're gonna be out on the boat all day. So we're gonna be in the heat for a while. Why do I like this fit so much? I'm gonna die when we get out in the sun, but I love the colors. So we're probably only going to be here for a few more hours. It's 2 o'clock right now, but apparently we're only going to be out here till probably, I'm going to guess 5 o'clock, because we're going to go out to a friend's house after. Yeah, we're chill. We're having a good time. We have 5 boats connected now. It's a little bit cloudy now. It looked like it was going to rain earlier, but it didn't. Actually, I feel some rain. That's definitely rain. So we're gonna start going back. Oh, I just need to get back in productivity. I haven't even started editing the next part of the Florida vacation, and that was over a month ago. Also, I got my temps yesterday, and I drove for the first time. I don't know what else we're doing today. So the kids wanted to record on the camera, so I kind of just let them, because it's not like I was going to record anything myself around a bunch of people. So kind of a win-win, and honestly that's a life hack. If it's too weird to record yourself, just let the kids do it. 3, 2, 1. Why? This is my sister's friend Christy and her boyfriend John. Christy said she wanted in on the video, so yeah.
2, 1, we did it! Yeah! Someone give this to Brandon. Yeah, we give it to Brandon.
Wait, how do you even, what is, I don't even know how you work this thing. How do you even make it start?
Yeah,
I don't know how to do it. Say hi.
We are home now. I have taken a shower. I had to wash my hair again, and now my hair is lit. We're gonna go to a family friend's house who was on the boat with us for a barbecue. So yeah. We're home now. It's been a long, really fun day. I am a bit woozy and tired. That's the end of this video. Okay, bye-bye.
They're coming for us.